Topic is fruits name. Apple. This is an apple. This is tree of an apple. Mango. This is a mango. This is tree of a mango. Banana. This is a banana. This is the tree of a banana. Litchi. This is a litchi. This is tree of a litchi. Orange. This is an orange. This is tree of an orange. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. This is a plant of watermelon. Pear. This is a pear. This is tree of a pear. Papaya. This is a papaya. This is a tree of papaya. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. This is a tree of a kiwi. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. This is a tree of a pomegranate. Guava. This is a guava. This is a tree of a guava. Grapes. This is a grapes. This is a tree of grapes. Blackberry. This is a blackberry. This is a tree of a blackberry. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. This is a plant of pineapple. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. This is a tree of strawberry. Apricot. This is an apricot. This is a tree of an apricot. Fig. This is a fig. This is a tree of fig. Coconut. This is a coconut. This is a tree of coconut. Plum. This is a plum. This is the tree of a plum. Cherry. This is a cherry. This is a tree of cherry.